Assalamualaikum grade 10. Hope you all will be fine. Today date is 27th August 2020. It's my 40 lecture and day is Thursday. See the exercise number 3. It's comprehension and given on page number 39. It's fourth comprehension passage. I just read the passage and you will write the answers to your own, or you will find the answers to your own. 6 questions are given from this comprehension passage and it is your home task. See the comprehension passage. The Sultan sent agents to all part of the east to buy the rare manuscripts. सुल्तान जो अपने जितने एजेंट्स थे वो ईस्ट में भेजता था ताकि वो नायाब मसवदों को ख़रीद सके. रेयर मीन्स द बुक्स विच आर वेरी रेयर इन नंबर एंड मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट्स द थिंग्स द राइटर राइट टू देयर ओन, यानी जो राइटर खुद से अपने हाथ से लिखते हैं रेयर मसवदे या रेयर हैंड राइटिंग्स, रेयर बुक्स ही वांट टू बाय and bring them back to Cordova. Cordova is the name of a city, and the agents bring these bags to Cordova. He sent the agents to buy the books which are very rare and asked them to bring these books to Cordova. Why you ask that the agents bring these books to Cordova? See the next sentence. His men were constantly searching the booksellers' shop at Cairo, Damascus and Baghdad for rare volumes for his library. So he has a big library. Sultan has a big library and he sent his men constantly to search the booksellers, कि वो जाएं और किताबें बेचने वाले जो हैं उनको तलाश करें. कारियो भी जगह का नाम है, दमस्कस एंड बगदाद, यानी इन 3 शहरों में वो अपने एजेंट्स को भेजता था ताकि वो वहाँ जाकर बुक सेलर्स को ढूंढें और वहाँ से वो जो नायाब बुक्स हैं, वॉल्यूम्स हैं, उनको अपनी लाइब्रेरी के लिए वो ख़रीद सके या वहाँ से मंगवा सके. When the books were not to be bought at any price, he would have it copied. जब सुल्तान को लगता था कि किताब वो किसी भी कीमत पर नहीं ख़रीद सकता, then what he do, he make it copy, वो उसकी एक और कॉपी बनवा लेता था. And sometimes even hear of a book which was only in the author's mind and send him a handsome present and beg him to send the first copy to Cordova. And sometimes he hear that the author is going to write a book which is in his mind. कभी कभी उसे लगता था कि जो वो बुक है वो ऑथर के माइंड में है और वो उसको एक हैंडसम प्रेजेंट, कोई बहुत अच्छा तोहफ़ा भेजता था और उससे रिक्वेस्ट करता था कि वो उसकी पहली कॉपी कॉर्डोवा में भेजे ताकि वो उसे अपनी लाइब्रेरी में रख सके. By such means he gathered no fewer than 400,000 books, and this is at a time when printing was unknown. So he has collected 400,000 books for his library, and in this time the printing was unknown, यानी प्रिंटर जो था उस वक्त अब तक ईजाद नहीं हुआ था. And every copy had to be painfully copied in the fine clear hand of the professional copyist, and in this time the books were copied by hand, यानी जो बुक्स थी वो दोबारा हाथ से कॉपी की जाती थी. फर्स्ट कॉपी जो है वो बहुत रेयर होती थी और नेक्स्ट कॉपीज़ जो है प्रोफेशनल कॉपीज जो थे वो खुद हाथ से लिखते थे. एंड प्रिंटिंग वाज अननोन इन दिस टाइम. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टैंड द पैराग्राफ. सी द क्वेश्चन. Why did Sultan send his agents to all parts of East? You have to see the first line. You will get the answer. You have to write the answer from the question. See, you have to write Sultan sent his agents to all parts of the East because, you have to write because he wants to buy rare manuscripts and bring them back to Cordova. So I hope you will understand how to write an answer. You have to start the answer from the question. Sultan sent. अब यहाँ sent जो है फर्स्ट फॉर्म लिखी हुई है, डिड के साथ ये पास्ट टेंस है. पास्ट टेंस की वजह से यहाँ पर फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब लिखा हुआ है, लेकिन जब हम इसको आंसर में चेंज करेंगे तो सुल्तान सेंट हो जाएगा. सुल्तान सेंट भेजता था, पास्ट टेंस में लिखना है. सुल्तान सेंट हिज एजेंट्स टू ऑल पार्ट ऑफ द ईस्ट बिकॉज ही wants to buy rare manuscripts and bring them back to Cordova. Question number 2. where and what for they searched the bookseller. So you have to see the next line. The city names are also given, and why he wants the books, because he wants to keep them in library. I hope you will be able to write the answer when you read the next sentence. Question number 3. What would he do when any book was not to be bought at any cost? You have to write answer from the he. When any books was not to be bought at any price, just you have to write here. He would have it copied. Just you will write this sentence to join it, and it will be the answer. Question number 4. What would he do when the author had not yet written the book? You have to start it. When the author had not yet written the book, he sent him a handsome present and begged him to send the first copy to Cordova. How many books had he gathered? It is written. You have to write he had gathered 400,000 books. Why was it difficult to collect so many books in those days? It was difficult. You will write was here. It was difficult to collect so many books in those days because printing was unknown and every copy had to be painfully copied in the fine, clear hand of the professional copyist. Till here you will write the answer, and all the time whenever you give the answer you have to see the tense. If the question is given in past tense, you will give the answer in past tense. If the question is given in present tense, you will give the answer in present tense. Try to write the answer from the question. क्वेश्चन के अंदर से ही आंसर स्टार्ट करें और इसके साथ रेलिवेंट जो सेंटेंस है वो पैसेज में से ढूंढें और फिर लिखें. डोंट राइट द सेम सेंटेंसेस गिवन इन comprehension passage. It don't give the good impression. You have to just read the question and try to give the answer from the question. I hope you will understand how to do exercise number 3. It's on page number 39. It is your home task. Just read the paragraph and try to answer these questions to your own. Allah Hafiz class.